Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda Colchester. Today we're going to take a look around this used Peugeot 2008 that's just recently arrived. Now this one in particular is the GT line trim, and it comes with the 1.2 turbo petrol manual gearbox, and it has had 3 owners from new, and it is a 2020 registered model. It comes with full service history as well as a recently changed cam belt too. First thing you'll probably notice is this striking orange fusion metallic paint, and it does look absolutely wonderful, especially contrasted with the black roof as well. Some of the notable exterior features that you get on this, as it's quite a comprehensive list, is your advanced rear parking sensors. You've got part of the sporty look as well, this aluminium style accent on the boot lid, and your dual chrome exhaust vents as well. And you've also got the full LED tail lights with this lion claw design that you'll see up front as well. And you've also got your rear parking camera as well. Around the side, you've got these gorgeous looking 18-inch alloy wheels. Again, more of that aluminium style accents. You have keyless entry with keyless start, and it does also come with an automatic lock and unlock as you approach and walk away from the vehicle as well. It's perfect if you've got your bags full of shopping. And one other detail I mentioned as well is that you've got this gloss black roof rails. Again, that just complement the two-tone design. And around the front, as you'll see straight away, you've got this very striking, unique daytime running light signature, and this complements the full LED headlights. And as you can see just below it as well, your LED fog lights and your front parking sensors as well. And then just rounding off the front, again, you've got that aluminium style accent at the front, as well as in the grille too. So the exterior impresses very much, and you'll see the inside does the same too. As this is based on the Peugeot 208 chassis, the 2008 is a slightly larger car, so it's perfect for bigger families. So as you can see straight away, you get an awful lot more rear legroom, and thanks to that boxier design, headroom as well. It also comes with all-round electric windows, and as you can see here, you've got that half leather, half fabric upholstery with this sort of houndstooth design and this green sporty contrast stitching. You've also got 2 ISOFIX points on those rear outer seats, and I'll show you when we move around to the front. You've also got a third one on the passenger seat too. And as you can see, you've also got 2 USB-A ports to just give your backseat passengers a little bit more comfort and convenience. The seats themselves fold 60-40, and as you can see, when they fold down, it folds almost completely flat, so it does mean loading items in from the boot dead easy. And speaking of which, we'll move around to it now, and it's a button located just below the line, and as you can see, whether you've got the seats down or the seats up, you get plenty of space, especially thanks to the fact the boot is quite deep and it's quite wide. It's also helped by the fact that your load cover has 2 levels as well, so if you prefer it for that flat floor, you can do, but you can also hold it up and the car will clip it into place. So if you want to hide anything underneath, it's perfect, so you haven't got to worry about juggling with 2 hands trying to keep that open and taking anything out. And it's a nice and easy to push back down again. Moving around to the front of the car, we'll hop into the driver's side, and as I mentioned earlier, you'll see you've got those all-round electric windows, the electrically adjustable wing mirrors as well, and you have this rather gorgeous sporty style interior. So for example, again, you'll see that half leather, half fabric upholstery up front, but slightly more bolstered for the driver and passenger. And I'll show you as well, you've got those front ISOFIX points on that passenger seat too. And as you can also see as we walk around, you've got that nice carbon effect on the dash. And it sits just above the interior mood lighting, just below that again, more of that green contrast stitching. You've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a built-in satnav. And just below that, you've also got your multimedia controls, your car safety controls, and your heated seats for both the passenger and driver as well. And just below that, you've got a USB-C and a USB-A port, and you can click to open this little socket here, and you've got wireless charging built in behind it too. And then just below that, another little copy hole with your 12-volt socket too. And in front of that, your manual 6-speed gearbox with your electric parking brake and your drive mode select too. Noticeable features as well as your keyless entry and your keyless start, as I mentioned earlier. You've got your auto lights and auto wipers, and the car does come with full cruise control too. And as you can see, this very nice sporty flat top and bottom steering wheel as well. And probably the best part of the interior is the 3D cockpit. So you can change this to have your satnav at the front, but you can also have it so you can dial it to just analog controls. And if I can angle it to the side, you can just about see some of that 3D effect. And it is a very, very clever feature. And last but not least, you've also got this nice big power sunroof as well. So it's a manual blind, so you can close it and open it as much as you want. But a little button just located next to your SOS functions will allow you to open it entirely. So if you feel like this vehicle would tick a lot of boxes for you, by all means, please pop on down. We'd love to take you out on a test drive in this vehicle. And we can also run through any finance quotes should you need us to, as well as any part exchange evaluations for any cars you'd like to trade in.